kunyitana niguo gutigirira ati ni momba Mawira na makiria hari urumwe na uthi wa nambere wa mabururi matiganite akiaria ari bururi wa Switzerland. President William Ruto ni ikitie ritana riri akiuga ati no ni njira imwe ya gutigirira gitaro kia Africa ni giakorwo gikiyukiriria na ningi gukorwo gikirugamia kuona ati ucenjani wa thogori na umwe wa maundu maria mangicungiriria gitaro giki gukorwo gikiyukiriria na njira iria yagiriire.
Ruto Kigomano-Ini kia mabururi kigie mawira bururi-ini wa Switzerland, mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni ikiti ihoya kuri ngwataniro eno niguo himbirie mitaratara ya kuhurana na wagi wa mawira uria ugomeire mabururi maingi guku Africa.
The ILO system is worker oriented in that it primarily represents workers' interests. Yet, labor rights are affected by both employment and unemployment. It should concern us very deeply.
Ruto ongereire na kuga Afrika niyo itongoretie na nambere nene hari wagi wa mawira na oho agatariria njira imwe ya kuhurana na thina uyu gitaro-ini giki. Ngwataniro eno ni ibatie guthondeka thoko ya gitaro giki niguo guthondeka mieke makiria ya mawira.
Unemployment rates in Africa are some of the world's highest, with many countries reporting between a quarter and a third of their populations not engaged in secure, productive employment. As we speak about matters pertaining to work, we must also speak about the millions of jobless people whose voices cannot be heard at a conference like this.
Ikitie na kuga Afrika ina mieke ya guthondeka economy iria iguteithiriria kubo kwa mawira makiria hari mbeu njithi.
Majority of the world's unemployed people live in the global south, and especially in the continent that I come from. On average, Africa invests 30% of its annual budgets, or $150 billion, on educating and training of its youth and workforce. Only 30% of them join the workforce, and all the way to 70% stay unemployed. What a waste. This perennial waste of human capital and productive opportunity must squarely form part of the most urgent concerns of workers, employers, as well as governments.
Adoine Hamothingi TV, Titagwa Mobi wa Munyere.
Haya, Minister Ogetiru